Hey friends, if you wish to know where sticky notes are saved in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the location. Now, a better way is that I have copy pasted the location in the description section of the video. Since the first part is user profile, it will automatically pick up the location no matter what your username is. Press the Windows key and the R key together, paste the location here, hit enter. Now I have sticky notes here. Okay, I cannot check these sticky notes at any location other than sticky notes itself, but there is a file called plum.sqlite. plem.sqlite. All the sticky notes are available here, but you will not be able to access that or open it in any manner on your system. But if you wish to copy sticky notes to another computer, simply right click and copy this file to another system, and I mean through a pen drive or through network sharing, whatever you want to. When you copy it to another system, another Windows computer, and open sticky notes on the other computer, you will be able to access all the sticky notes that you had in your present computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.